Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. Before we start the programming in Java, we should set up the Java environment in our system. What we actually require to write and run Java program. We need any text editor to write Java program. Text editor like Notepad or Notepad++. And to run that Java program on our system, we need JDK, Java Development Kit. So, first, let's go through the process to download JDK. Open any web browser, then go to the oracle.com website. There you can find download option. From this page, you can download any version of JDK. I have already downloaded this. JDK. So let's go through the process of installing JDK. After downloading, you will get this .exe file. Just double click on it. Here you will get the license agreement. So this is license agreement for JDK. Click accept. From this window you can change your directory. By default it's in programming files and in Java folder. I am not going to change this directory and clicking next. It will take some time to install JDK. After installing JDK, system will ask to download JRE. JRE is Java Runtime Environment. You can change its directory and click next. It will take some time to process. When the installation will be completed, this screen will appear. Click Finish. So now we have already downloaded and installed our JDK and JRE on our system. But still we have to do one task. We have to do setting up of environment variable. This will help us to run our Java programs. For setting up the environment variable, go to Start, My Computer, right click, Properties. Here, Advanced System Setting. Here, Environment Variable. Click on New. Write there path, and in variable value go to the C drive, program files, Java and JDK. In bin, right click, copy this address and paste it into variable value. OK. So now we have set up the whole Java environment. Now we can write any Java program and run it on our system.